Hello everyone, it's James here. Some of you are aware that I used to work for LEGO and earlier this year obtained my LEGO Seriousplay facilitator accreditation in Denmark. There's been some questions around what LEGO Seriousplay is as a workshop facilitation method, and I hope to answer some of these in this video. LEGO Seriousplay, or LSP for short, is a well-researched method of facilitation based on guided LEGO model building activities to uncover deep insights and unlock new ideas. It is a versatile and modular methodology that works well as a standalone process or in combination with other facilitation methodologies. Today, more than 15,000 accredited facilitators work with individuals or organizational clients around the world to uncover insights and inspire actions. It would be impossible to cover the literally hundreds of different use cases for LSP today on this video, but I hope to share in more detail about three. The first and most common use case is to enable better team performance. One specific example could be for team members first individually build a model to describe themselves and then collaboratively make a group model to describe their team, which helps bring participants onto the same page, deepen understanding of each other's motivations and ideas. LSP in this case creates a safe and disarming environment for each and every team member, including the quiet or introverted ones, to have their ideas heard. A second use case is to facilitate out-of-the-box innovation. How does LSP do that? By first building a model of their individual ideas, say for a new product or service, all ideas are built, shared, and discussed, and then combined into a group model later on. This is especially effective when quick unconstrained brainstorming is needed. The third common use case is to use LSP to animate a high-level corporate strategy into an implementation plan. Typically, this use case happens around organizations' leadership retreats, annual corporate or business planning exercises, where the end goal or high-level vision is already pre-made, and the LSP workshop is to explore what that vision means for each department, uncover the barriers to implementation, and drive towards developing an action plan. Why is the science behind LSP that makes it effective? For those of you who work in L&D might be curious about this, so let me try and explain it in plain language. Based on the research by experts such as Piaget, Csikszentmihalyi, and Peppard, we learn that humans build knowledge in their minds when they experience learning. So think about the first time we learned how to ride a bike. Scientists also found that human hands have more neuron connections to the brain than the rest of the body combined. We actually think better when we use our hands. So Lego building is also great at making an abstract concept like leadership or diversity tangible when we build a model, which can then be discussed. If you're interested to know more about how LSP can help you and your team discover insights and unlock hidden potential, do reach out to me on LinkedIn or send me a DM to find out more. Thanks for watching. Bye!